How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 66 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. This is a clone. It's done in a graphite black. I believe this car was originally a black car. See, grill, headlight bezels, all that are in really good condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. It's all wet sand wheeled smooth. Car looks pretty good down the sides. It's got a set of 15-inch chrome rally wheels on it. And the BFGs. All the taillight trim and tail panel trim all in very good condition. The rear bumper is new. Car looks good down the sides. It, very, very nice driver, cruiser. Have fun with it. It's got a 69 396 375 horse motor in it. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. It's got Muncie 4-speed trans, 12-bolt posi rear with I believe it was a 331 gear. I think cruises right down the road nice. Jams all look good. All the interior is in very good condition. It's got the gauge dash. Headliner's real nice, tight in the car. They've updated it with the front seat belts. It's all inside the trunk, looks real good. It's got the factory jack spare in it. This car was restored probably about 5 years ago. Just a super, super cool car. Got the original center console in it, and Hurst 4-speed shifter. Again, it's got a 69 375 horse 396 in it. Nice cam and everything. It's a good sounding car. Nice bumpy pump cam in it. That's a cool car. 66s is one of my favorite cars. Needs a little more practice with 4-speed. You can check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.